Hey everyone, Chaser here and welcome to Tech Square. We are here with you today with the ToneFree earbuds from LG. Since its partnership with Meridian, LG has kept up a good and regular appearance in terms of the audio technology. They have quietly built up a reputation for quality and reliable audio devices for the past few years. Big shout out to LG for sending us their latest LG ToneFree earbuds. So without further ado, let's get into our today's video reviewing the LG ToneFree earbuds. So the earbuds came in this compact box. The box is pretty standard, nothing fancy or premium. On the bottom left corner, it says the charging case features UV Nano, which can kill 99.9% bacteria. Pretty amazing feature, considering the time we're going through right now and all. There's more info on the side. So the earbuds features Meridian advanced audio technology, and there is a dual microphone for clear voice call quality. The charging case features wireless charging and fast charging. These earbuds also have an IPX4 rating and will protect against sweat and rain. So let's unbox. When you open the box, the charging case is inside there, sitting on a plastic frame. The earbuds are inside the charging case, which I'll come back later. Get the frame out and we have two pairs of extra ear tips, a Type-C connector for charging the case, and some documentation about the product from LG. Since we're done with the unboxing, let's talk about the earbuds. So the earbuds are inside this case. Look how tiny it is, like the entire device fits inside your palm. And it has this circular shape which makes holding this case really comfortable. The matte rubbery finish also feels good on hand, albeit it's made of plastic, but the material feels quite premium. Although the case attracts fingerprints and smudges, but look how tiny this is, and it weighs only 40 grams. Now that's really lightweight. You almost wouldn't notice the device in your pocket as it also has a slim and sleek profile. This tiny charging case also has a wireless charging feature, and there is a USB Type-C port as well for cable charging. The wireless charging case packs 390 mAh battery capacity, and it would take up to 2 hours to fully charge the case. When fully charged, you'll be able to get up to 12 hours or more use for your earbuds. Inside the case, the earbuds are just sitting there. They kinda look like AirPods with toothbrush type extension and in-ear design. Each earbud weighs about 5 grams, so you don't even feel them in your ear. Before putting them on your ear, let's connect it to my device first. Connecting the earbuds to my smartphone was super fast. Take them out of your charging case and pairing is really fast and effortless. Once you pair them for the first time, the device gets connected almost instantaneously when you take them out of the case in the feature. Now this is possible because the device features Bluetooth 5.0, which offers faster and stable connectivity, better range, and a high fidelity audio experience. Now I didn't have time to test out the range, but the connection is really fast and stable. Each earbud has 55 mAh battery inside them, and they can give you up to 5 hours of call time and 6 hours of music playback. So with the charging case, you'll be able to use the earbuds for a full day and still have some charge left for the next morning. And the earbuds have fast charging capability, so 5 minutes of charge will give you 1 hour of listening time. The LG ToneFree is also IPX4 rated, which means it can withstand light rain, accidental spillage, and sweat while working out. However, only the earbuds are IPX4 rated. The case, however, does not have any rating, so better be careful. Let's check out the audio quality. Before going into the audio details, let's talk about the UV Nano feature. So whenever we use any kind of earphones, earbuds, or open-ear headphones, the ear tips on those accessories pick up bacteria from our ear canal. As a result, when we use them next time, we are basically pushing the bacteria into our ear canal. Now I was never concerned or ever thought about this in my life. However, it seems LG has thought about it and has added a UV light on each side of the charging case. When you are done using the earbuds, just leave them inside the case, and these tiny UV lights inside will light up and kill those bacteria for you so that you have a sterile device next time. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, moving on to the audio features. Now I haven't had a chance to test the earbuds out, however, LG is making quite reliable audio devices since their partnership with Meridian Audio. I'm particularly fond of their audio device. On that, LG has also sent me their new X-Boom Go speakers, which I reviewed earlier. Follow the links from the top right corner to watch that video. Anyways, the sound quality of these earbuds is quite good and it really gets loud. Sounds are clear and at full volume, they don't distort at all. I feel like there could be more beat to it, however, I'll let you know my thoughts in another video when I get the chance to review them properly. The LG ToneFree earbuds have no physical button on each earbud, instead it has touch sensitive pads, and you can do a lot of stuff just by tapping on the earbuds. Long pressing the touch bar would on or off the ambient sound. With ambient sound, the earbud picks up the sound of your surroundings and delivers them in your ear while amplifying the sound a little bit. That way, you'll always be aware of your surroundings and won't have to take off your earbuds when you need to have a quick conversation or there is an announcement on public transportation. Pretty cool. Anyways, tapping once will play or pause the music, and tapping twice on the left earbud will reduce the volume, and doing that on the right side will increase volume. Pressing 3 times on the right will change to the next song, and doing it on the other ear will do the opposite. There is a ToneFree app available on Play Store where you'll find more options. For example, there are 4 equalizer presets by Meridian which will give you more immersive music listening experience. You can also set 2 custom equalizers to your own liking. From the app, you can lock the touchpad with not in use or remap touchpad settings as well. With Find My Earbuds option from the app, you can find your lost earbuds. You can also give the earbuds your notification access so that you can check your notification without having a look at your phone. Anyways, that's it on our first impression on the LG Free Tone HBS-FN6 earbuds. If you liked the video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment below and let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to this channel for the full video review and press the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.